Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time, not really. I have been gone like for what, 3 weeks? But anywho, I know I'm super duper inconsistent, but after this year, I will be back on track. I mean, after my school basically, I finished school in my voice is kind of like that's a voice like I'm not fully recovered from like my sickness, if that make any sense. End of the video I will answer, did my weeks survive to my workout. Today I did 2 hours of workout, which is I never done. I usually do 1 hour and a half, but I did 2 hours because of Annabelle A's. If you don't know her, then go watch her video. I mean, she's the goat of the fitness girl. I mean, yeah. Anyways, so I do 2 hours, and before like 2 weeks ago, when in my sick week, I did go to the gym, which was a big mistake. And I find that like when I did go to the gym, I did go with my wig, of course. So so I found that it was secure in a sense, but today it was more secure. It makes sense, you know, because I will just tell you that the first time I did it, I put my wig. I think I didn't put this thing. I think I put another one. Anyways, but this time I make sure that the wig is pretty secure first, and I put bobby pin in the back, which I did the first time also. But this time I think this band is so tight that it gives me like headache. That's why it stays on. And other thing is, you want to use some bobby pins, which I used today, and my wrist was fully secure. I did some treadmill, I did some everything in the gym, like, except for abs. Like I did some abs, but not in the abs machine. And you need some headbands, which is you see now, some headband for the front of the wig, because if you do not want to put headbands, I suggest you to put a hat. Like a hat is more secure also, because your hair is like the front of your hair is covered, so nobody will see when it slides a little bit further down, you know, so it's secure in a way. So this is a really good tips also. Hunchies, headphones. You see, I did tied my hair up. I did tie my hair, and I did also I bring some headphones, which I always work out with these headphones. I feel like all of my hairstyle is secure, and I'm in my zone when I have headphones with me. I think I will get the wireless one day when I will get enough money. Well, I will save for it, because I don't buy anything that I don't need. So yeah, and I wish videos are coming, guys. And yeah, this one is perfect. I had it for like a long time. I didn't use that, so I just use it for the gym. And I think like it secure your hair more, because you have those things to adjust the headphones, and it makes your hair feel secure. You know, in the summer you see me working all different kind of hairstyle, and all of my hairstyle, when I went to the gym, I put my headphones. I have some extension, you know, some when I had my slick down, some fake hair, and it does not comes off. Like I'm telling you, headphones, yeah, you can sew your wig down. Like example, if you play a sport like basketball and you play a lot, like it's a rough game, you know, you want to make sure that your wig doesn't fall off in front of everybody. The gym is different from like playing a game in front of people, so I will just make sure it's for those kind of occasion, or even to practice your game anyways, just to sew your wig down. I saw another video, the girl sew it down. This is my tips on working out with a wig to feel more secure, because girl, you do not want even I find that working out with short wigs are a lot better. Like if you have a short wig. The final question, did my wig survive to my workout? Of course, like I told you to the very beginning of the video, my wig did survive to my workout, and it will survive to all my workouts. I do legs workout, working the booty, you know, and sometimes I'm all in different kind of position. I did today this machine, you know, when you up and down. I will just put it in the screen somewhere, and my wig didn't fall out. Like, sis, those tips are gold. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any video suggestion, please leave it down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Giving me headache. Oh my god. Snatch. Snatch.